Who is ISO 9001 for? What sort of businesses can apply this standard and benefit from it? And most importantly, is ISO 9001 right for your business? Hi, I'm Jonathan, and welcome to Core Business Solutions. We are ISO experts helping small businesses across America. In this video, we'll be answering all those questions, and at the end, we'll point you to some great resources to help you learn more about optimizing your business, so stick around. So who is ISO 9001 for? Maybe you've just heard of the standard for the first time, and you're wondering if it applies to your business. Maybe a client is asking you to become certified, and you're not sure if you can do it. Maybe you've heard that ISO is just something for manufacturers. To start, ISO 9001 is a quality standard. Over 1 million companies around the world are certified to ISO 9001. It helps businesses ensure consistent improving quality in whatever they produce. You might associate ISO 9001 with manufacturing. If you've heard of it in the past, you might be thinking of it as the standard that helps factories and machine shops put out consistent products. And it is that, but it's also much more. Did you know that over half of ISO 9001 certified companies are service companies? They don't manufacture anything. So it doesn't matter if you're a distributor, an engineer, or a consulting firm. You don't need a product to become ISO 9001 certified and to reap the benefits of certification. In fact, the latest version of the standard, the 2015 version, was specifically rewritten to make it more applicable to service-based organizations. That's because the business practices in the ISO 9001 standard can benefit all types of companies. We all want satisfied customers who trust our business. We all want continually improving quality. We all want to consistently reach our objectives. No matter what you do, whether you're making a product or providing a service, ISO 9001 can help. If you're making a product, ISO 9001 tells your customers that you'll consistently deliver quality products. If you're providing a service, this certification tells your customers that they'll receive consistent quality service every time they work with you. If you want to learn more about exactly how ISO 9001 works, we have some great free resources at thecoresolution.com. Visit our website to learn more about ISO 9001 and other ISO standards that might apply to your business. And check out the link in the description for a free ISO 9001 guide that walks you through the entire standard clause by clause. You'll find that no matter what sort of business you run, you and your customers can benefit from ISO 9001. But here's the thing. Since ISO 9001 can apply to any business, the language of the standard gets complicated. Figuring out exactly how all of these clauses and requirements apply to your specific business, and then applying them correctly, that can still be a huge burden. ISO 9001 is beneficial for every business, but not every business has the time to wade through the complicated standard and figure out how it all works. And that's where Core Business Solutions comes in. We take on the complicated stuff so you can focus on your business. Our approach combines web-based document control software and expert consulting. We'll give you the tools and training you need to not just become certified, but to reap the full benefits of certification. And we'll walk you through it each step of the way. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into ISO 9001 and other standards. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend. We're excited to hear about your business and to learn how we can help you achieve success. Thanks for watching.